Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, and welcome to another edition of
Behind the Drywall. So last month, if you were watching, we were at a home in North San Antonio, and we're back here again. So we just wanted to show you how it's turning out and where we are with this project. So we're back in the master suite. We're in the master bathroom, and last time the countertops were not on the vanity, and as you can see, they are now with the sink and their awesome black matte, really cool fixtures. We've got, these were the handles that came from the kitchen hardware, so we repurposed those, and now they're all on the vanity cabinet. And then this lovely baby, I love this. And this is our beautiful black tub. And then we've got a nice tub deck with all the tub fixtures. And then if you come around this way, we also have some wainscoting. Wainscoting.
This is what's cool about this, obviously, is it finishes it off.
Yeah.
And we like to use a finish edge on the top of the wainscoting. So instead of bare tile or the old school bullnose type tile, we actually use this, and it mounts to basically create a completely perfect straight line finished edge, which is just a great look. It's called a Schluter edge. We like to use that.
And it's really nice because if you have a kind of a design style like this, it's just real clean, very modern looking, and it ties everything in.
Yeah.
So here is the shower. We did not have the glass last time, and I don't think that the trim was put in. So this is the finished product. So back in the shower, I'm not going to turn anything on. But that's where the Schluter edge we showed you last time, it's on the edge right there. So it's all coming together, and it's really nice because she'll be able to move into this part of the house while we continue and work on the rest of the house, which
is where we're going now.
Come and
follow
us.
Follow us this way.
Going through the master bedroom, which is pretty much complete. We have one more thing, which is a ceiling fan, and then we clean up.
And these are all new windows as well, too.
All new windows. Love the natural light.
Yeah, it opens it up a lot. So as you can see in here, this is still the construction part. So what we had here was a closet, a wall, a wall,
We're standing
a wall.
in the entry.
Right, so there was basically completely walled off, but pretty standard for that time. So what we want to do is open up the entire space. So we took out all the closet, took out all these walls. We had to reframe using engineered beams according to the engineer specs so that this whole space could be opened up. We did have to put in a column, which we can show you as we go this way. So there was an island here. This was an existing column. We knew we were going to have one at the other end. And so what we decided to do in terms of the design was design a very large island with a column at one end and a column here, which is structural to hold everything up. So
this whole thing right here, what you're looking at, this is one big kitchen island, and it's going to be fabulous.
In the background here, actually, those are original cabinets that we're repurposing, we're going to use.
Yeah.
There was a pantry in the corner that we got rid of, but we're taking cabinets that we took out from this wall to put over there. So we're actually able to salvage some things. So we'll have a nice wall of cabinets that'll be refinished, a master grand island right here, and now everything is opened up. So now, instead of having just basically a room, it's one big entertainment area.
And the entertainment is really a perfect word to describe this household, because the big driver of this is the house where the family comes together, gets together, holidays, pool parties, all of those kind of wonderful things. And you know, there really was no the way it looked before was there was a beautiful island, but it was so big that you couldn't really even use the center of it. It just was pretty to look at, but it wasn't very efficient, and the storage wasn't very efficient. So we're repurposing cabinets that we had before, and then these will be new. Those will all be existing, and everything will be painted and look a lot more uniform next time.
When you come see us again.
See us next month.
So that's a good progress shot of being able to finish off one part of the house so the homeowner can live there, and then we can work on the other section of the house. And it's come along great, so next time you see us, there'll be even more stuff done. And thanks for joining us, and follow us on all the internet stuff.
The internet stuff. Follow us on all the internet stuff.
I just don't know that stuff very well.
Thanks a lot, and we will see you next time on Behind the Drywall. Thanks.